Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. My name is Shazia Khan. Today we are going to study Geography, Standard 7th, Chapter number 3, Tides. This is the first part of this chapter. Okay. Tide words we hear so many times, but in this chapter we will study in the brief what is tide. Students, as you can see on the screen, both the photographs show the same place, but due to the changes of water position, this natural event is called tides. Let's see the geographical explanation. Both the photographs show the same place. If you stay near the coast for some time, you will realize that the sea water is sometimes very close to the coast, while at other times it is far away from the coast. We call these moments of sea water tides. See students, both the photographs show the same place. In the first photo, we can see that the sea water is very close to the coast, and second photo is we can see that the sea water is far away from the coast. This natural event is called tide. How tides occur, this we will study in this chapter. Barring a few exceptions, all the coast on the earth experience tides. हम टाइड्स जो है वो एवरी ईयर्स वी आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग हर वो नेचुरल बिकॉज दिस इज़ द नेचुरल इवेंट्स. Okay, high and low tides are natural phenomena. Let us try to understand the scientific reasons behind these natural events. Tides are movement of sea water occurring daily and regularly. टाइड जो है वो दो तरह की होती है, दैट इज़ द हाई टाइड्स एंड लो टाइड्स. ओके, तो द लेवल ऑफ सी वाटर चेंजेस आफ्टर अ स्पेसिफिक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. द टाइड्स आर ड्यू टू द मूवमेंट्स ऑफ सी वाटर. दिस चेंजेस में occur. The level of sea water changes after a specific period of time. जो सी वाटर है वो उसका जो लेवल है वो एक ही नहीं रहता है, वो चेंज होते रहता है. आफ्टर 12 hours and 25 minutes a cycle of high tide and low tides gets completed. कोई भी टाइड्स चाहे वो हाई टाइड्स हो या लो टाइड्स हो, वो 12 hours के लिए ही रहता है. 12 hours के बाद में वो टाइड्स ख़त्म हो जाता है. दिस रेगुलरली अकरिंग इवेंट अपीयर टू क्वाइट सिंपल एंड नेचुरल. ये जो इवेंट्स है ये नेचुरल इवेंट है, ये किसी ह्यूमन बीइंग ने नहीं बनाया है. ओके, इट इज़ डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड टू द सन, द मून एंड द अर्थ and the gravitational and centrifugal forces that interact between them. Gravitational force means when we will throw any object on the space from the earth, that object directly back. This force is called gravitational force. Centrifugal force means when earth. Centrifugal force means due to its the rotations of the earth gets a type of force or power. This force work away from the center. It is called centrifugal force. Okay, see students, this is the activity. Keep a small stone or a chalk piece on your notebook and move the notebook from left to right with some force. आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू टेक ए बुक, कोई भी एक बुक ले लो और उसके ऊपर चॉक या फिर कोई भी स्टोन पीस ले लो और उसको दोनों लेफ़्ट और राइट में, दोनों ही साइड लेफ़्ट और राइट में एक ही फोर्स से उसको मूव करना है. ओके, So this activity you can do at your home. When we will moving book from left to right, it's take a force. Okay, वो क्या लेगी, force लेती है. Next activity, take water in a small container which has candle. See what happen if the container is roll around with force. Students, you have to take a water in a small container. आपको एक कोई भी कंटेनर में water fill करना है and you have to see what happened when you will fill the water in the container. Next, fill the mixer jar with water and switch on the mixer. Observe. Do this under the observation of parents. Next, observe a fan and a slant shoots while they are moving. आपको क्या करना है, ऑब्जर्व करना है जब फ़ैन ऑन है और वो मूव कर रहा है. ठीक है. And the last one, take a half glass of water, slowly move the glass in one direction in circular fashion. Observe that what happens to the water. You have to do this activity at your home, and in which force are used in this activity, like centrifugal or gravitational force. This chapter I will continue in the next video. Thank you.